Hi everybody, meteorologist Don Morelli with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News. Your forecast is brought to you by Bud Cleary, Toyota dealer. Toyota, let's go places. Well, last time I was with you, I was promising a more seasonal work week this week. Unfortunately, we're going to have to wait a couple more days. The cooler air is still a little bit further out to sea than I anticipated about 72 to 96 hours ago. So the brief heat spell is going to return after somewhat of a showery weekend. And then we cool it down for the second half of the work week. And with the heat, once again, occasional fire danger will pop up now and then. So keep that in mind throughout the week. And occasionally gusty winds will develop also. Daytime high today was seasonal, so hit that one. So not too bad there with the 89-degree high here in Ephrata after a morning low of 61. We had a little precipitation overnight last night, not nearly as much as what we saw on Saturday, where a quarter to a half inch of rain fell in some cases. Moses Lake, daytime high, pretty seasonal here as well. 89 degrees, 59 was the morning low. A trace of precipitation overnight last night. So a little bit drier air, though, is going to be coming on in. 89 degrees right now, right where we have topped out at with the maximum of the high temperature today. A southerly breeze, 7 miles per hour, not too bad. We're shaping up to be seeing a very nice overnight time frame. Notice this spin out here. This is what I anticipated to be a little bit further towards the east a few days ago. But since it's hanging back here and it's really not going to get another push east for a couple of days, it's going to pump up the moisture and pump up the warmth, I should say. And some afternoon clouds might develop, but generally we're not looking for too much in the way of precipitation. Here's the forecast now. Taking a look starting this evening, we'll put into motion some clouds at times, but looking forward to a very nice Tuesday. Some afternoon clouds do develop. Here's the system, though, spinning out west. And with time, moisture increases, and we'll see more and more clouds and maybe a shower Thursday, Friday, but generally we're looking for, again, most of the action to stay to our west. State forecast for Tuesday, mostly sunny in our area, partly cloudy at times mostly cloudy along the coast, upper 60s, lower 70s, although Olympia around 80 degrees, upper 80s near 90 in the inland northwest. And here in the Columbia Basin, again, a delightful day, but again, getting on the hot side with temperatures in the lower to mid 90s. You see 95 degrees here at Wilson Creek, one of the warm spots. Quick look now at the 7 days, and again, as we take a look at it, you'll see that we are looking at temperatures to approach the mid-90s the next couple of days, 92 here in Ephrata, but 97, 95 the next couple of days, and with the heat and afternoon storm possible. Then we see a little bit more drier conditions take place and temperatures a little bit more seasonal, again, upper 80s where we were today. And hope you enjoy your overnight time frame. Your forecast brought to you by Bud Cleary, Toyota dealer.